electrons, what's going to go in what's going to be going here? The electrons, what? D, E, I, D. Okay, you want D, E, I, D. Do you want D, I, E, D? Show me. What do you want? Which one? D, I, died. D is D, I first, and then your E. Okay, you mix it up. That's okay. D. The electrons died. Okay. One day, 3 electrons blinked down the street. One day, 3 electrons, what do they do down the street? R, okay, R, make it a real word. R, M. Just careful. What's your R? R, put your vowel. A and N. One day, 3 electrons ran down the street. They met a H, real word, O, H, O, R, S, and E. They met a horse. Oh my goodness. They met a horse. The horse said, how come T, H, E there better. How come the S, keep looking, S, S already makes sense. Go back to S. S, then what's next? K.
Are you earning?
The S, K, good, just fine. S, K,
How
what?
are you going to earn?
S, K, Y. How come the sky?
How are you going to earn?
How come the sky? C, H, one letter off. A, S or N? N, C, H, A, one letter off. You think a real word? C-H-A-N, G, and? Oh, careful there. Go back to G. G, and? Lift your hand.
G,
E, and? D. How come the sky changed? How come the sky changed? I don't know. Said
how are you going to
the
earn?
electrons. We must have what? H, real word, I, H, what's your next letter going to be? I, H, I, careful, T, we must have hit, one letter off, A, D, I, D, I don't think H makes sense. G, D, I, G, dig, G, and all the way up to the top. E, and R. You must have hit a digger. Trying to climb to the sky.
Yes.
What said the horse? How is that? T, careful there, and this makes sense. T, R, T, R. Can I get you a Kleenex there?
Sorry.
That's okay. It happens.
I'm sorry.
How is that? T-R. Get a vowel down there if you want it. U. How is that? Oh, wait. True? True. You can do true. How is that true? No clue. Said the electrons. Just might be the case. The horse said M-O-M. Mom. I-H. Careful there. H didn't make sense. I-H. You want H, which was the first letter? You got H there. I-H. I. T. I hit. M. M-O. M. Mom, I hit mom. I-N. In. Careful one.
N.
T. Okay. H-E. I hit mom in the
Back.
Oh my goodness. B-A-C-K. Back. And then she hit into a digger, trying to climb the sky. What said the electrons? How D, careful there, I, how, what do you want, E or D? How did M-O-M, how did mom, H-I-T, hit, oh, okay, T, it's okay, T, H, E, and M. How did mom hit them?
Mommy got
No
silly.
clue. For sure, said the horse.
But the hot
But
still fast.
please
You're a flea.
don't. Remember, our story is called "The Electrons Die." But please don't
Hit.
H-I-T hit. But please don't hit
Mom.
M-O-M. Please don't hit mom again. The electrons were sad and they
We're broken.
N-E doesn't make sense. And they real word. And they N. You can do E if you want. E H I. Oh, it's not a real word. What happened to them? The electrons were sad and they You do D, D, I, D, I, E.
They died.
They died. Okay. Electrons finally died. You want died? Died. Okay, I just said it first. Okay, here's the story. The electrons died. It's their title. One day, 3 electrons ran down the street. They met a horse. The horse said, "How come the sky changed?" "I don't know," said the electrons. "We must have hit a digger trying to climb the sky." "What?" said the horse. "How is that true?" "No clue," said the electrons. "Just might be the case." The horse said, "Mom, I hit Mom in the back, and then she hit into a digger trying to climb the sky." "What?" said the electrons. How did Mom hit them?" "No clue for sure," said the horse. "But please don't hit Mom again." The electrons were sad and they died. Okay, there you go.